What's up, Tony? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start ranking higher on Google, specifically how you can beat Chattanooga Roofing Company. Because if you type in roofing Chattanooga, they show up number 1. There's a lot of business that comes with being there, so I'm going to show you what they're doing so you can copy them and beat them. You're probably asking, why would I even make this video for you? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I just started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Lots of roofers just take this info and do it themselves, and that's awesome. But some people say, Devin, I like you. I want this done. I just don't have the time. Can you help me with it? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only looking to educate you and help you out. And I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. I got to say, though, you said Salty's Media is working on this. Whoever designed your website did an awesome job. I don't know if this is Salty's or who did it, but this is a beautiful design. I love how clean the website looks. This is a pretty custom looking form. Really, really nice, colors, little animations. The color scheme matches the whole way through. It's a clean design. Great job. What Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking your website is content, which is all the stuff you can read on your website. The average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to start. If I copy all of your content and then I paste it into a word counter, you can see that you have 415 words. If we look at Chattanooga Roofing Company and we put theirs in, they have 948 words. So once you get yourself up to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. But also by adding that much more content, it gives you room to fit in what's called keywords. A keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google to find your business, such as like roofing Chattanooga, roofers Chattanooga, and you could see like roofing Chattanooga, for example, 200 people search that every month. Chattanooga Roofing Company, 250 searches that every month. Roofers Chattanooga, 150 searches that every month. So with just those 3 keywords, that's 600 people looking to purchase roofing in Chattanooga every month. Imagine if you were number 1 in front of 600 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing. It would change your life, right? So that's why I would recommend adding these keywords inside of that content. And if I copy this keyword and I go and I search your page, you can see it. You don't have it on here at all. So make sure when you add those extra 1,000 or 1,200 words of content to get to a total of 1,500, you fit in keywords. You can also save your images as keywords. So like right here, it says roof nurse logo, which is true. That's what it is. But you could say this as roofing Chattanooga and it'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest where they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for you by linking to you. Keep in mind, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more of a result if you have other roofers and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to use it. It's a paid tool. You can just Google backlink checker and find this data for free. It says you have 2 websites linking to you right now with 62 total backlinks. And Chattanooga Roofing Company has 142 websites linking to them with a total of 550 backlinks. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 142 websites are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these 142 websites, and I'd put a link on each website back to my website just like they did. A lot of times it's really simple, like expertise.com, for example. You create a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, you've got a backlink. Yellow Pages, same thing. Create a profile, put a link in your profile back to your homepage. That's 2 backlinks already. It's really simple. It's just a little time consuming. But if you follow those 2 tips, if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, that's enough to get you ranked number 1 here organically, and you'll already be growing from this. But I've got one more tip for you, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. If you want to get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Chattanooga Roofing Company was in, put myself in the same ones, and then add a bunch on top. So if Chattanooga Roofing Company was in 150 150 directories, I'd put myself in like 300 directories at least. That's all I've got for you, Tony. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible. I hope you found it helpful. Quick recap: 1,500 words of content on this homepage. Put keywords in there like roofing Chattanooga. Then you want to copy the links going to Chattanooga Roofing Company and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Chattanooga Roofing Company. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Probably asking, what do I do now? 2 options. First one is do this yourself. If you do it yourself, I recommend you get started as soon as possible. It takes time to implement. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are doing this already. If you have any questions or if you want this done for you, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to at least hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, Tony, thanks for your time speaking to me on the phone. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you have an awesome day. See ya.